Hello, friends! How are you all? Once again, I've come to you with a brand new story. Today's story is about the letter K. It was a golden morning. A kangaroo named Kinley set out on a train journey with her Joey. Their destination? Kids Valley. They were going to meet a friend named Kerry there. As they traveled along, they saw many colorful kites flying in the sky. The kites were happily dancing with the wind. When the kites saw Kinley, they smiled and asked, "Hi, Kinley. Where are you going?" Kinley replied with a cheerful face, "I'm going to Kids Valley to meet my friend. She's waiting for me. It's been a long time since we last met." The kites smiled and waved goodbye. "Take care, Kinley. See you again."